Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to add chapters or timestamps to your YouTube video like this. So as you can see, I have my chapters here and also down here they show. So you put on the titles of the chapters, and when you tap on it, it takes you to that part of the video where you talk about that specific point. So whether you tap on the timestamp or the chapter themselves, this is how it works, or on the line itself, that's how it works. So we're going to go to your studio and we're going to be editing this particular video that you want to change for. So this is how it looks like before the editing and stuff. We don't have any timestamps or any chapters, as you can see. So we are going to be adding this, and you're going to start with zeros and then you make the time up. So you creating this, the most part that might be useful is opening another tab of your video like this, and then you start playing. So you take keynotes where the key points are, and then you note the time. So when you come back in your studio, you type that in this description, and after that you can save the video. So mine is already saved, so I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, we already have the timestamps already. So that's how easy it is to create timestamps or chapters on your YouTube videos. So as you can see, it shows in the video the bars, also in the description. When someone taps on this, they can show, or also these chapters down here. So as you can see, everything is working so perfectly fine. And I want to give you another tip for today. If you don't start with the zeros, like the intro part, and you just start with where the key moments start from. Let me refresh and you see what happens. The bars in the video don't show, but they show in the description, and they still work, but it doesn't show like the bars. So I'm going to put it back and save. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.